Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Hi, welcome to the flower drawing tutorial. Today we will be drawing a simple beautiful flower. Start by grabbing a pencil, eraser and some paper. First draw a small circle in the middle of the page. This will be the center of your flower. Now draw a larger circle around the small one but lightly as it's just a guide. Bring the line back to the center of the flower creating one petal. Repeat this process around the center and will spacing the petals. Don't worry about making each petal perfect. Natural flowers are irregular. Thanks for watching this video.